Okay, so what we do to separate our trash is that when we no longer need a product, or when we end up finishing to eat a product, we just put it in the trash can, which is right here, and we collect everything that cannot be recycled. For example, in here is all the trash that cannot be recycled from about 3 days, and when we end up finishing a product that can be recycled, we separate it. For example, when we end up finishing a bottle of soda, we put it in here. That is a bag that collects all of the plastic bottles that we finish. We just wash it and then we put it in here. And we also do this with cardboard and other stuff. Okay, so another thing we do is that with all the plastic bottles that we don't need, we also separate these things. And since they can be recycled, we also separate all the glass stuff and also the paper. For example, when all the portfolios that I don't need, when they are already graded, I just put them in here, and then I use them to later to use the clear side of the paper sheet and use it to say, for example, to make some calculations of math or to write some stuff. And when they can be no longer used, when they are from the third sides, they cannot be written anything more, I just put it in here. And in here we collect everything that is related to cardboard. When we end up a box of cookies, like this one, we just put it in here, and then we take it to the backyard and we collected everything in plastic bags. Okay, so all of the cardboard things that we had previously, I will just put them in this plastic bag that contains all of the cardboard things that we have produced in about 3 months or something like that. In here I have it can go from pizza, but it's mostly from cookies. Anyway, we also collect all the plastic bottles that are not PET. For example, the one that contains the detergents, that stuff, from shampoo and different types of plastic. In here we have all the PET plastic. It is not very clear, but we have mostly soda bottles and that stuff. And in this trash can we have all the aluminum from cans of soda and that stuff. We usually don't consume this type of products, but when we do, we just put them in here and then we take it to some recycle centers. In here we have also some boxes of cardboard, and we later unfold them and we also put them in this plastic bag. In here we have some of the things that come in plastic bottles, and we have some straws that have a specific type of plastic, so we also separate them, and that will be all.